Oops, you're there? Waiting for something to learn? Okay, here it goes. Good morning everyone, Jane and Leia here. Okay, let's have a different lesson for today. Okay, it's just like Valentine's, words also has the right partner. Okay, we call them collocations. They are words in English which they always come together. Okay, they go together. For today, we are going to learn some weather collocations. Example, we don't say big rain. We say heavy rain. We don't say big wind. We say strong wind. One more, if you look up the sky and it is clear, we don't say empty sky. We don't say clean sky. We say clear sky. Here are some example sentences for the three weather collocations.